Welcome. This is about the TH Customs Modular Controller. We will talk about the user interface and what you can do with it. When you switch on the controller, it automatically enters manual mode. In manual mode, you press the keys to enable or disable the respective channel. Use the up and down keys or the rotary encoder to select the storage bank. The memory is organized in banks which each contain a maximum number of presets. So if you configured for the maximum, you have 24 banks and 10 presets in each bank. After you have selected the bank, you press one of the switches to enable the specific preset. Once you select the preset, all channels will immediately go to the settings of the preset. They will turn on and off according to what was programmed. If you wish to change the preset, hold the program switch for a little longer until the LED turns red. When the LED is red, you can enable or disable the single switches in the preset. Once you have activated all the channels in the preset, press and hold the program switch again until the LED turns off. Your preset is now ready to be accessed anytime by pressing the respective preset key. You can switch back to manual mode anytime to enable or disable any channels apart from the preset settings. There's two ways to send MIDI programs from your controller. In easy mode, we use the preset number and send it in a program change message as the program number. We use the TX channel from the setup to do this. In program mode, we are able to define 5 MIDI commands, program change or control change, that are sent one after another when a preset key is pressed. When you are in program mode, press down the rotary encoder to get into the MIDI control program menu. By turning the knob left and right, you can select a specific command you wish to program. Press the encoder again to get to the second part of the command. For a program change, the second data defines the program number. For a control change message, the second data is the controller number, and the third data is the value that the controller will be set to. Do that again for a maximum number of 5 commands that can be sent for each patch. You need to be in manual mode to get into the general settings menu. You press the program key a little longer and it will enter the setup. If you have pressed too long, you automatically exit it again, so be careful here. When you're in the setup, you can cycle through all the options as described in the manual. As we just talked about MIDI, we'll just go there and change the MIDI preset setting from easy to program. So the program commands will be sent out. Thank you for watching and have fun exploring the options.